To multiply out brackets, we can use the crab claw approach and draw a little claw like this, which gives us 4x times x, that's 4x squared, and then 4x times minus 3y, which will give me minus 12xy. And I hope I haven't done that too quickly. You know what? I think I'll just show a little bit of working alongside. So I've done 4x times x. For this, you got x times x, that's x squared. Just don't forget about the 4 as well. And then I've done 4x times minus 3y. So for this, you can multiply the numbers together to give you minus 12, and then you can put the x and the y on after. They're the same thing. It's just more simplified like that. I'm not done. I've now got my bottom crab claw. That's going to be y times x. I can write that as xy though, because why would I want to do that? Because then it's more obvious that I've got like terms to combine after. And I've got y times minus 3y, which is minus 3y squared. Okay, I'll just write that a little bit working down. So y x is equal to xy. You know, I can do that. And then y times, I should have probably said that y times x there, but anyway, then y times minus 3y, again, in a similar way to the first bit, that's minus 3y squared. I'm nearly done. But I've got like terms, so I need to be able to, I'm asked to simplify them, so I need to be able to do this. Okay, I'm going to get 4x squared, and then I've got minus, like if I had minus 12b plus b, that would be the same as b minus 12b. Okay, they're exactly the same thing, and that would give me minus 11b. It's the same thing here, just with xy, so I'm going to be left with minus 11xy. Just don't forget about that minus 3y squared at the end. And that is my answer. And the only thing I've not done is draw my little crab, because you probably might be thinking like, what is this crab claw thing going on about? It looks a bit like you know what, I'm not happy with that picture of a crab. Normally I have the eyes coming up like this. Okay, that's a bit better. I think I'm just going to talk briefly about why on earth you actually do that. Why do you multiply it in such a way? And it's all down to the fact that you're basically doing an area problem. We've got 4x plus y. Let's put it on top. 4x plus y. And then we've got x minus 3y. You have to kind of bear with me because you don't really get negative lengths, but you've just got to trust that it does work. And you're finding the areas of these things here. Okay, because this is 4x plus y, and this is x plus minus 3y, I suppose. So you get your 4x squared, you get your xy, you get your minus 12xy, and you get your minus 3y squared. So all of those terms come out, and then you'd add them together, and you get exactly that answer there. The thing is, you know, yes, you have to draw this little diagram, and this is a more, you know, it's best to learn more general approaches, but you know what, there's nothing wrong with always resorting to this to help you with single or double or even triple brackets. It's just in the long run, if you're trying to become more fluent in maths and quicker at problem solving, then it's best to remember this kind of approach. And if you get really confident, you don't even put the crab claws in, you just realize that you need to multiply them.